Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to look at doing a hydraulic oil change on the FF15. This one just had it here for a while. We're going to just change it out. A couple things to think about here on the FF15 is you want to have all the cylinders collapsed as much as you can to get most of the hydraulic fluid out of it. You can see the bucket extended, the thumb retracted, boom extended, and boom extend as far as you go. That's all that's going to happen, as well as having your blade up. So by doing that extension all the way through, you're going to get as much of the hydraulic fluid out of the cylinders as you can. Most you can do without actually flushing the entire system, which is way more involved. So I'm going to tell you how we're going to do it with the FF15 here. Yes, there is a drain plug. I know you can see all over the internet people will go in there and they suck out the fluid and do a bunch of other things. There is a drain plug, at least on the FF15. I'll show you where it's at. It's right below this dark panel here that says FF15. We'll take that off and I'll show you where that is, and then we'll replace the fluid. I'm going to be using AW46. We're up here in Canada, so for the temperatures that we work with up here, that's kind of the most common one that we're going to need. So let's take it apart and see how it goes. Okay, so while I got this off, I'll just show you quick as well. There is these two grease nipples right here. These are designed for the slew bearing underneath. So you can see the two hoses that actually go further underneath here. From here, you just do like 4 or 5 pumps, turn the machine 90 degrees, do another 4 or 5 pumps, turn it 90 degrees, and carry on and carry on. That should be good enough for your greasing schedule for that. So what I would normally like to do when I first clean out the hydraulic oil is, because everything is out of the cylinders, you want to have this a little bit on the high side so that when it fills the rest of the cylinders up, it'll come back down. Hey guys, so there you have it. That is the hydraulic oil change on an FF15. As you can see, there is a drain plug, so don't let the forums tell you otherwise. You got any questions or comments, throw them down below. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next one. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Cheers.